I knew that was gonna happen. Hi guys. I am hiking with a sinus infection, so bear with me sounding like I'm winded, because I am. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Originally planned for this to be like a snowy hike, and we don't have any snow yet. It's the middle of November, and yeah, Alberta doesn't have any snow that's stayed on the ground yet, so that's been a little bit different. Kind of a nice treat though. It's 6 degrees, even though I'm not dressed like it. But let's go for this this hike, and we'll hang out at the viewpoint for a little while and have some tea, and go from there. Today we're hiking at the Eagle Point Blue Rapids Provincial Park. These are the ones, like the trails that we're on today, are just inside. How do I explain this? The trails that we're on today are, if you go into the town of Drayton Valley and you park by their one cemetery, and you can go hike in and overlook the river. And then the rest of the trails are on the other side of the river, and it's quite cool to see. I've been here a few times, and they are expanding. The trails are well marked, which is nice if you're kind of unsure where you're going, and it's kind of a very nice loop. Everything is quite open and well developed, if that's the kind of trail you're looking for. And then in the winter, I think enough people come out here and walk their dogs that there's usually quite a well-established trail. So yeah, it's really nice in here. I do enjoy doing this loop and hanging out at the lookout, and I'll show you guys that here in a few minutes. I put a bench here. I'm pretty sure there used to be a picnic table here. I'll show you one second. So I went a little bit farther past where I showed you the bench was, and down another little trail, and we're right along, like you can see the river. So I'll include a couple clips for you guys because it's actually beautiful today. I don't know if it's the first time I've noticed, but this water is really blue. The last couple times I went hiking, the North Saskatchewan has been really blue. So I brought some hot water, even though it's actually quite warm, in a cup, and some Christmas like friendship tea, or it's also known as Russian tea. I don't I don't love that it's called Russian tea, so I call it the other name, but I brought some to hang out here for a little while. I have no set measurements, but just I'll go with that. Excuse me. And some hot water. any other girls excuse me, any other girls get this? I feel like fall and the beginning of winter comes around and I just like, I swear I shed. You can find my hair everywhere. So I'm gonna turn this around so I can maybe actually look at you a little bit better. And just give me 1 second. Oh, now you can't really see me, but that's fine. This little tripod that I use absolutely blows my mind. I think I paid like 25 bucks for it on Amazon. And it extends to like, I think about 1 meter tall, but you can like rearrange the legs so that it stands. Like you guys are on like a little hill that's probably like this, and I just have the legs like propped so that you don't fall down. So a friendship tee was actually given to us many years ago by an old coworker of my mom, and I've always really liked it, and I never knew what was in it. So I finally looked it up this year, and it's got tang, like it's not really tea. It's got like tang juice, iced tea, lemonade, cinnamon and cloves, and I think it does suggest sugar, but in Canada you can only get like sweetened iced tea, not like instant regular tea, if I understood right. So I just didn't put the sugar in, and I think it tastes just as good. So for the sake of this being Vlogmas, I actually have included a PDF down below for you guys, and it's the recipe. So a little merry gift for you guys to try, make some, take it on a hike, or make it some for some friends. But it's got like the, like I really like the cinnamon and the clove part of it, and it's just got a really nice like festive taste to it. I would drink it all year, honestly, but it's good. So give it a try, and I always love when you can see like the mix between the tang, lemonade, and iced tea. Just give it this really nice like citrusy but warm juice, but it has like a little bit of a sweetness to it. And then the cloves, I love anything with cloves in it, so Merry Christmas. So while I'm drinking this, I thought I would touch on a little bit about this provincial park. This is hopefully I get this right, this is the Eagle Point Blue Rapids Provincial Park. It runs along the North Saskatchewan River, which is behind us right now, beside Drayton Valley. They are like across the river. You guys can kind of see like right there is the old riverboat. That's a really weird way to do my finger or hold my hands. That is the old boat launch, which is now where everybody goes down to swim. I've spent a lot of time down there. I've taken you guys down there. But yeah, you can hang out at the river there. They built a new boat launch just a little bit farther up north on the river from there now. And people spend a lot of time here. They riverboat. You can hike on this side. You can hike on, there's other trails on the other side. There's the Wiley West campground on the other side, which is where this boat launch is. And then if you go, can you see the bridge just outside of Drayton Valley that you go over the North Saskatchewan on? If you go on the other side of that, I do believe they're working with the local horse riding trail group out here to build some more hiking trails. And there's the recreation area out there, so like you can quad, you can hunt. I don't believe you can camp out there, but you can do sort of like hiking, bird watching, all of that. There's the provincial recreation area on the other side too. So I do like coming out here. As you guys have seen from some of my videos, I do spend a lot of time in Brazeau County and up in Yellowhead County, but they're nice areas to spend time in, and it's nice just to see the different parks and stuff they have. I'm just gonna finish up this tea and then we're gonna get back on the trail and go the rest of the way. This is a short little hike today, but I'll show you some more clips along the way and we'll get going again. And to think I packed my sleeping bag because I thought it was gonna be cold. See some people out there on the gravel bar. That's the way we're headed.